What's up friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off push notifications on Temu. So you want to go ahead and minimize the Temu app, and you want to go to settings on your phone. So find settings guys on your phone, or you can simply go ahead and type it in the search there. Now from here you want to go ahead and go all the way down to where you'll find apps. Now once you have your apps loaded up, you can easily go ahead and scroll down and look for Temu. Otherwise you can go ahead and use the search at the top there and simply type in Temu. Now once you find the app, open it, and from here you want to go to notifications. Now just simply go ahead and turn off those notifications, and you will not receive any notifications from Temu anymore. That's how you turn off the push notifications on Temu. So if you go back to your profile again and go to your messages and go to the gear in the upper right hand side, you will see that the push notifications is no longer enabled. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.